This is the Numa Minute, spotlighting great manufacturing companies. Today I have Shane with Fluid Systems Components. Tell me a little bit more about Fluid System Components.
We design, manufacture, and service hydraulic, pneumatic, and also electrical panels, hydraulic manifolds, and hydraulic systems for mobile and industrial products.
Wow. So what type of careers do you have available?
Anywhere from a service tech, service positions, customer service, engineering, manufacturing.
That's wonderful. Does somebody need experience in order to work there?
Experience is always great, but we have on-the-job training. We do have tenured staff available to also help mentor people when they come into the facility, so we can definitely train you and get you into the business.
So Fluid System Components, what are some of the benefits of working there?
We have 2 weeks of our generous PTO to start, typically, depending on what position it is. We also have 401k match. We have a variety of different insurances available, including pet insurance, which is unique.
Awesome. Well, to learn more about this great company and more, go to www.manufacturing.careers. That's www.manufacturing.careers.